Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we have, I can't believe this, but we have the March Simply Earth recipe box. So January took forever, right? It was like 100 days long, and then February was like bye, and here is March. So here we have our monthly recipe box from Simply Earth. If you are not familiar with Simply Earth, they're an essential oil company. They have amazing quality and priced essential oils. They share GCMS reports. They have some oils that are USDA organic. They're just very transparent. They also have this monthly subscription box. Each month you get 4 essential oils. Oh my gosh, there's a new blend. So you get 4 oils, 6 recipes, and things that you'll need to make each recipe, and full support in making everything. I have an abundance, where are we, of essential oils, as you can see. So I usually take the oils that I get in the box, especially, or except for this one. This is a new blend. You're getting a new blend called Simply Us. Can't get anything out today. But I am going to go swap out and grab these because I already have these 3, and I'm going to add these 3 into my giveaway pile. If you're not subscribed to my blog, make sure you go do that. I'll put the link down below, and let me know if you have issues because I give away oils every week, so don't miss that. Okay, I actually couldn't find my lavender. I might actually be out of my lavender, so I'll just share this one first. This is lavender 4042, so it's a very specific blend of constituents. It's lavender and it smells like lavender, but it is blended to have 40% linalool and 42% linalool acetate. So it's just a variation of lavender, but it is still lavender essential oil. That smells so good. It just reminds me of spa, relaxing spa vibes. Clear Skin is next. This is a blend. Oh, the theme this month. What is the theme? Face care. Oh, yay. I love when it's beauty, skincare, or makeup related. So this is Clear Skin. This is tea tree, sandalwood, cedarwood, juniper berry, and lemon essential oil. It doesn't smell the best. I mean, tea tree is just tea tree. It smells kind of like gasolina, but it's super powerful, and especially for acne, sometimes I just use it on its own as a spot treatment, but this one I do keep in my bathroom, or I make a roller of it to travel with too, and just kind of put it on acne and blemishes. Simply Us is a new blend, lavender, lemon, marjoram, and neroli. And this one is a 5 milliliter bottle. All the rest of them are 15 ml. And also, when you are a subscriber, you can go on and look, and if you are getting an oil that you hate or already have or don't want, you can swap out oils. Ooh, whoa. Oh my gosh. What was this? Lemon, lavender, marjoram, neroli. This smells so good. This is gonna be my spring perfume. Oh my goodness. I was just talking about Simply Earth. I was just talking about essential oil blends. I don't even remember what video it was, but I was like, Simply Earth just has basic blends. Like, none of them really blow me away, and then they send me this one. Okay, this one, they're fully redeemed. This smells so good. I could just smell this all day. This is going to be my spring perfume. If you do anything with this video, go buy this essential oil. Okay, value this month is $224. The price of this box is $44.99. I do have a code that will send you a $45 gift card to use at Simply Earth, which is amazing. These are the labels, so you will need to label everything. This is your little guide. So coming soon this March, ooh, SLSA powder. Do you find it difficult to make your homemade bath products to produce a rich, skin-friendly lather? So this powder provides a mild, potent, foamy agent that turns your creations into fluffy, luxurious self-care. So they have a new product coming out. They have a whole bunch of different products, DIY ingredients that you use to make all these things that we make. And then introducing DIY face cleansing bar kit. So they have another new kit coming. They have this monthly box, and then monthly or every other month they'll come out with a DIY kit. So this is the new kit coming soon, so that is really exciting. Okay, recipes. We're going to make a balanced facial toner, love that, lemon cream pie diffuser blend. Lemon cream pie, I've never heard of lemon cream pie. That sounds great. If we're using, yes we are, we're using the Simply Us blend. If we're using this for anything, I'm in. It smells so good. And then rejuvenating face mask. I love making face masks. It's like instant gratification, makes your skin so soft and like radiant. This one's almond oil, lemon, rose, kale, and clay, which you get in your box, witch hazel, Oh, you also get a little witch hazel in your box. And then from home, you'll need rice starch or cornstarch. And then you're mixing it into a 1 ounce jar. Sensitive skin roll-on. So we're using clear skin lavender, and we're going to make it into a roller. Now, when you do subscribe your very first month, you get a big bonus box, and it will have rollers, empty rollers and bottles and carrier oils. So things that you'll need to make some of these too. So we'll use a roller and carrier oil in our big bonus box to make that one. So that's, yeah, what I said, using this kind of as a spot treatment. Luminous facial serum. I love making face serums. I love getting pretty glass bottles and making my own face serums. I just love that. This one you're using almond oil, clear skin, lavender, and Simply Us in making it into a 1 ounce bottle. Then soothing facial cleanser. I also love making cleansers, but to be honest, I've gotten this before in a box and I didn't use it, so maybe I will actually get around to using this month. In a small bowl, mix together the almond oil and lavender, and while wearing a face mask, add the Simply Earth face wash powder, because this gets a little dusty, I'm assuming, to the oils and stir. Transfer to a small jar, and then to use wet face, place a pea-size amount on your hands and rub. So this is gently exfoliating, I believe, because it's powder. And you can use it on its own too. You don't have to add essential oils to this. So you wet face, combine a pea-size amount of the face wash powder in the palm of your hand, gently massage into face. Okay, and then lastly, on the back of each of these cards is so much more information, so don't forget to turn them around. This one is, and then product available with 10% discount at simplyearth.com. I guess you get a discount. You're making a difference. So they give 13% back to help end human trafficking. And this month, they're working with Nightlight, and it's a nonprofit to help the victims of commercial sexual exploitation. So more about that will be on their website too. They always work with different nonprofits. You can get 50% off your next box, sneak peek of next month, different tips on when you're a subscriber. So you can add items to your box for free shipping. So if you're getting your monthly box, but you're like, I want that new blue tansy oil that I just shared, make sure you go back and look at that video. You can add that to your order for free shipping. You can exchange oils, like I said, if you don't want an oil that you're getting. You can gift a month. So if it's Mother's Day or Christmas or whatever, and you want to gift your box to someone else, you can do that. Ooh, next month we're getting tea tree, clean and fresh tangerine, and lemon eucalyptus. I know it's going to be spring cleaning, which I also super love. Anything beauty or cleaning, that's my favorite way to use essential oils. A note from Katie, which is the aromatherapist, the founder of the company, the March recipe box. So this is great. This has each of the oils that you're getting this month, and then a little bit about it as far as safety goes. So whether it's kid safe, dog, cat safe, pregnancy safe, it's a really good just to have these on hand. So keep those and make sure you look at the back of them. And that is it for this month. Let's make the lemon cream pie diffuser blend. I cannot wait because this blend is like my new favorite of all time. Okay, so you're gonna use your label. These come in your big bonus box. So you're just gonna grab one of these. You get a bunch of them, and then you get it during your first subscription box, and then every 6 months. So I'm going to slap this label on here so it looks like this. And then we're going to add 20 drops of Clear Skin, 20 drops of Simply Us, and then it says 60 drops of lemon. Okay, so these come with a little stopper dropper in that. So you just screw on the lid really tight until it clicks, and then unscrew, and it will place that little stopper in, and you'll have your little dropper bottle on. Orifice reducer. Oh, that smells so good, you guys. Okay, let me give it a good shake mix up here. I'm gonna diffuse this right now. Okay, this is perfect for spring. This would be a great diffuser blend to diffuse while you're cleaning the house. It's very heavy on lemon, but it's also sweet and floral. That neroli, do I just love neroli and like didn't know it or what? This smells so good. Okay. So these are my 2 favorite things from the box so far. I haven't made everything else, obviously. Let me know what questions you have. If you're already a subscriber, what are you excited about this month? Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.